Ever since the Honor View 20 has come into our office, I have been itching to talk about that new 48 megapixel Sony sensor on the phone. This sensor is extremely interesting and I really wanted to find out how it compares against the OnePlus 60 and the Poco F1. So what I did is actually captured a lot of pictures, and what I'm going to be doing is showing those pictures to you guys in a blind camera comparison. So in the comment section below, you let us know which one was your favorite. So what are we waiting for? I'm Ershad from Mr. Phone, and let's get down to our blind camera comparison of the View 20 with the OnePlus 60 and the Poco F1. But before we move on, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it, because we make awesome camera comparisons and great tech reviews as well. Now, how our blind tests generally work is that all these three phones will be labeled either A, B or C. We won't tell you which phone is A, which phone is B, which phone is C. In the end of the video, we will reveal which one was which. So you'll have to wait till the end of the video to figure out which phone captured which picture. Take down notes, pick your winner and figure out which was your favorite, and let us know in the comment section below. Shooting a 4K 30 FPS video using all the three phones to check for video quality and sound quality as well. Do let us know in the comment section below what you thought about it. I'm gonna pan around a little bit. I'll ask Shri and Devam to sort of pan me around and figure out how the three phones can actually shoot at 4K 30 FPS. So now we are shooting a 1080p 30 FPS video using the three phones to check for quality and sound quality as well. Do let us know in the comment section below what you thought about it while I asked Shri and Devam to turn and pan me around to figure out if the phones can keep me in focus and what happens with the exposure when they turn around. And you can check for the background, exposure and the sound as I pan around a little bit and show you guys what it does to the exposure and what panning around, if the exposure improves in the background. So those were the samples from the three phones. What did you guys think of the samples? Did you like them? Anyway, here's the time for the full reveal. The pictures marked A were captured by the OnePlus 60. The pictures marked B were captured by the View 20. And the pictures marked C were obviously captured by the people's darling Poco F1. So which one did you pick? I'm excited to know as well. And yes, I have a full camera comparison coming out soon. So stay tuned for that as well. Until next time, this is Ershad from Mr. Phone signing off. Goodbye.